Hey guys, what's up? We are here with another episode of Learning Prancer under 3 minutes. In this episode, I want to show you how you can use the reporting features of the Prancer platform to see the IaC Static code analysis result and also the CSPM. So let's see how it works. On our platform, when you logged in, you can click on the report icon on the left pane, and then the report page is coming up. We have different filtering features, for example, the cloud that we are supporting, the Azure Cloud, GCP, AWS, Kubernetes environment, and also Git repositories. And also you can filter the result based on the compliance that you're looking for, and based on the selection that you have in the first item, you can have further filtering capabilities in the last section. For example, let's say if I select the Git option, you can see all the features and all the IaC templates that we are supporting. Could be Azure ARM template, CloudFormation, deployment management for GCP, and also other formats. So let's say I want to see the result of the IaC Static code analysis for the Azure ARM template. So I can select the Git from the first item. I want to see all the compliance results, so I'm not selecting any specific compliance, and I will select on the ARM template and click on the filter. You see all the test cases that we have available. For example, some test cases related to the AKS environment, or the other test cases for the Key Vault, for the virtual machines. If a test is failed, you see this icon here, it means that the test is failed, and if it's passed, you see the passed check mark. So we have the pagination available here, and for any of these items, for example, let's say for this Azure AKS cluster, HTTP application routing should be disabled. I can click on that, and I can see more details and descriptions regarding the failed test case. We have the description, we have the link to the Git repository that we have these files available. When I click on these items, it can show you the same file on the GitHub we are hosting on the GitHub, so you see the source file, and also there is a view config link available for you. When you click on this one, you see the snapshot that we have available inside the Prancer platform. You can see the detail and also how to remediate. Usually in the remediation section, we are providing a link to Microsoft Docs in this case because it's an Azure ARM template. If you want to get more information, you can click on the more, and you can see exactly what's the compliance test, what's the regular rule, if you want to see the logs, and many more information available for you. So let's say this is a problem and you want to fix it from Prancer interface. There is a remediate button available for you, and when you hover the button, you can see that clicking on this will update your environment, which is in this case the GitHub. I can say, okay, that's fine. I can click on the remediate button, and what it does, it will fix the problem on the repository and file a pull request, a PR, on behalf of the user, and then put the link here. For example, when I click on this one, this is an automated pull request for the fix of the problem, and you see that there is a fix for this item, the file change, the enable HTTP application routing. Before it was true, now we've changed that to false, and it can go through the normal process for your pull request in order to get approval and then merge it to the branch that we have checked out from. You see all the test results available in the list, and this is like related to the Git, but it's the same for the cloud live resources and also for the Kubernetes environment. For example, let's say I want to see the result of the Azure. I can select on the Azure filter and see the result for the Azure Live Resources. There are other options available. We have a collections here. You can create as many collections as you want based on different scenarios. The collections could be the name of your customer in an MSP situation, or it could be like the name of the project you're working on, the name of the team, the name of the cloud. So the collection is very flexible feature for you to put a name on your test cases and also the project that you're working with. Also in our environment, the test result that you see here is the latest run. For example, in these cases, the GCP VM test cases that you can see in the list. But also it's possible for you to go back in time and see a snapshot like how the environment looked like 3 months ago, or how my repositories or the Kubernetes environment was like 2 weeks ago. So if that's the case, you can click on use advanced feature, and on the time bar, you can select the time that you want to see the snapshot, and then select the interval and then filter based on that. Also, there are some features available for you for the ease of work. For example, you can use the search box to search based on specific test cases you're looking for, or you can change the filtering for severity or the failed and passed test cases, and also how many items you can show per page. So this reporting feature is a very powerful feature in Prancer platform, and you can use that in order to get a better insight into your code and also cloud live resources, and being able to fix the problem from this interface. That's it for the report section. Thank you and have a good day.